Okay, next up is Ignacio Marquez, and the WordPress community has grown through meetups and WordCamps, but a new trend is making a difference: micro-communities. These small yet powerful groups are achieving unexpected social impact, bringing WordPress to new audiences and purposes. In this talk, you'll discover how micro-communities are born, real-life projects transforming lives on national and international levels, and practical tools to build your own impactful group. Drawing from hands-on experience, leading do-action hackathons, facilitating non-formal education programs, and co-founding rural hackers, and oh my goodness, Anceu, Coliving. I'll share how WordPress has empowered communities ranging from NGOs, launching social projects, to bloggers advocating for change, to initiatives bridging the gap between rural and urban areas. You'll learn about events where WordPress-powered solutions help NGOs thrive, movements supporting senior citizens and youth in rural areas, and inclusive WordPress-driven initiatives that go beyond traditional tech spaces. Whether you're an organizer, contributor, or just passionate about WordPress, you'll leave with actionable strategies to create your own micro-community and turn WordPress into a catalyst for social transformation. Let's give it up for Ignacio.
Thank you. Wow, what a big biography, I was thinking. Since we are a family here, and I really believe this, I'm going to share with you a secret. Please keep it. I was not supposed to be here. It was my colleague, but 2 days ago, she had to cancel because life happens sometimes. And I was thinking, micro-communities, this is such a nice topic. We have to fight for this. We have to save this talk. We have to come here and doing it. So you are in good hands, because I'm super passionate about this. Also, another funny thing is, like, today is my birthday. I think that destiny is playing with me in really strange ways. So yeah, I will need your support. I will need you close to me today. I want to start this by sharing a story with you. A story that is much connected with the topic of today, that is called micro-communities. But we can also translate micro-communities in people helping each other, in love for people, in being connected. When I was a child, my parents, they used to go every summer out of the grid. We were going to a cottage in the middle of the mountains in the north of Spain, and we were spending a month with just fire, food, and good people. That was amazing. That really changed my life. It really changed my perspective, and it really makes the person that I'm now together today. I think that all of you have this kind of memories, core memories with people that you were having, such a great experience, that you were being connected. I want you to take that memory for 5 seconds so we can move on. WordCamp Europe. This big event is amazing. Last year, it was my first time. It was really nice for connections, for networking, also for showing what is Rural Hackers about to all the people. But I was thinking, what if you are shy? What if you don't come with the people that is supporting you, with the people where your WordCamp is, with the local people that is with you? So maybe we have to change that. We have to start from zero. We have to start from a first starting. And now I want you to travel. I'm going to be your guide. And we are going to go to small communities that nowadays, they are shaping how we are going to understand WordPress communities. The first one that I'm bringing you is the Bella Bella. It's a group of old people. They are retired. And they decide to meet once per week in a co-working space to share about their passions. And they started to do a blog. And in this blog, they put all the plans that you can do in the cities. They also, with this excuse, invite good people. Invite people that they are feeling like, I should know this person because, it's really inspiring. So I'm going to invite to the meetup, and we can write a blog about this. It's the perfect excuse. I think that I was thinking, like, how can you retire in a better way? You know, and I think that this is the best plan ever. Also, they are understanding how WordPress works. They are understanding how the web works, that this was something that they were not understanding before. The next one is Curiositech. Curiositech was a do-action hackathon for 25 youngsters of 5 different countries of Europe. They were coming to our place, a village of 97 inhabitants, and they were thinking, we are going to do websites for every single entrepreneur, small entrepreneur in this village. You know, we are having a huge problem in rural areas of Europe because they are becoming depopulated. So they were taking this local business into global. And this is amazing. I can share with you that the local librarian of our village has the coolest website of the whole province. The next one is WordPress Diversity Day. And this is in Valencia. And I have good news. It's happening the next October. So if you're feeling that you should join, please do it, because it's great. This one is putting the focus on diversity, LGBTQ+, people with disabilities, people with fewer opportunities. They are giving a new door to these people. Micro-communities are really nice to open, to speak about social issues, and to make change. Do action hackathons. Are you familiar with this? Have you heard about this? Angel is raising the hand. He's familiar. In some WordCamps, there is this do action hackathons. It's a one-day event that you are with a lot of people, and you are building a website for an NGO that they were not on internet before. It's a super nice way of starting in WordPress communities. It's a nice way for getting to know people, partner up, and all of this. And this can make a huge transformation in how you later you know all the people and you enter in the WordCamp. Rural WO. Rural WO is a program that we are going to run for women. We are going to give a fresh start for women in the WordPress community. We are going to teach how to use WordPress from zero, and they are going to be with us for a month in our village, in a co-living space, living with international community. If this goes well, I can tell you maybe next year, the last objective is that they start their own micro-community, and later they can go to WordCamps, and more people, they will join. Hacker Days is another program, because with communities, you can also make the change that you want in society. Hacker Days is about that there is a problem in our village that we have a water consumption system that is really bad, actually. And you know, we have Rosa and Rosabel, that is the 2 girls that you see in the picture, that they have to go counter by counter, putting with a pencil of how much water consumes a house. So we are going to partner up with a lot of people for a week to use WordPress to automatize the whole process. So the thing here is like, you can use WordPress, you can use the community for make real change in society. Golden tip. Every single experience like this started with a fire starter. Since it's my birthday, I can make a wish. And the wish is like, in some years, maybe next year or the next one, somebody of you is going to give this talk. And he's going to talk about new micro-communities that, thanks to people like you, are going to start. That's my wish. So take it, please. For finishing, I want to be thankful. Juan Hernando is here. Rocío also is here. Good news. They are in almost all WordCamps. They were our fire starter. They were the ones putting the virus of WordPress in us. We were not familiar with all of this. And thanks to them, we are here. So if you want to start a micro-community, please find them, because they are going to be your help. Thank you very much.